All right, Jason here from newtonswave.com, and today we're looking at ONG USDT or ontology gas. I'm looking on the month time frame, and I'm on Binance. So if you're a bag holder in ONG, or you're looking to come in and make a trade, what are you going to get? Well, you're going to get an amazing 622% gain. So if you put 1,000 on, you're going to make 6,000. If you put 10 grand on, you're going to make 60,000, and if you put 100,000 on, you're going to make $600,000 return. So bag holders, just hold on, because you're going to get your rewards very, very soon. For those of you looking for an entry point, when do you come in? Well, have a look here on Newton's Wave. You can see here, let me just move this up a bit, you can see it's done peak 1, it's done peak 2, it's done peak 3, and it's done peak 4. All right, it's coming down peak 4 at the moment. It's about to go up to peak 5, then come down again, and that is your entry point at the bottom of peak 5. Once the bottom of peak 5 appears on Newton's Wave, that's where you come in, and then just wait then until it actually rises to about $2.61, and then just come off it and go and trade something else for a while this does a retraction before it goes up to the next macro rise. So many of you wondering what Newton's Wave is. Well, basically the candlestick price pattern is just a shadow. It's like trying to tell the time on a clock without a clock face. Scientists discovered Newton's wave, an electromagnetic sine wave. It's almost like the clock face of the clock, right? It allows you to time. The peaks on Newton's wave are like minute hands, so it allows you to time your entry and your exit point spot on without having to use the price to rely on what price to come in or out of, right? So it's brilliant. It's taken the world by storm, and it literally has, and it's becoming very, very popular for those reasons, because it's based on science. You know, there's no guesswork or anything with it. So there you go, that's ONG. That is what you've got to look forward to, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. So listen, you take care. I wish you the best of success with your trading, and speak to you soon.